What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Oxman Garage. If you haven't visited the channel yet, my name is Philip. Please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that notification button. So this video is going to be really short and sweet. I'm just going to go over the three shifter setups that I've had. The stock shifter setup, the Boomba Racing transmission adapter, and then the Boomba Racing short throw shifter. So without further ado, here's the three setups and how they feel.
And let's check out to see what the throw is. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So that would give us a baseline of, once again, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then obviously reverse. So that would give us a baseline. So, oh, that throw is crazy. That's way different. Oh, and it's heavier because the adapter's weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And reverse. Wow, that's so different. I really like that. Wow, that made a difference. This is with just the Boomba short throw shifter. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse. I'll go through it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse.
Alright guys, those are the three shifter setups I've had in the car so far. First one being stock, obviously. Second one being with the Boomba transmission adapter, and the third one being with the Boomba short throw shifter. The first one, not a big fan of the stock. I'm not a big fan of the stock shift knob, and I'm also not a big fan of how the engagement was with stock. It just wasn't all that great. Second one I did like a lot. The transmission adapter completely changes the driving experience, changes where the shifter ends up, and it gives you nice crisp gates. The third one is my personal favorite. I like having the weighted shift knob on top, and it does feel a little bit better just replacing the whole, replacing all the pieces that it replaces, and it's my favorite. Now, Boomba says that both the transmission adapter and the short throw shifter do work together. I haven't really messed with it all too much. I haven't taken a weekend, obviously, to get it to work. When I tried to put the short throw shifter in with the transmission adapter, I was having a bunch of problems. So I haven't revisited. I ended up taking the transmission adapter out when I came back from vacation, and it's been driving awesome. Maybe I'll revisit trying to put the adapter back on, but maybe not. I'm actually really enjoying just the short throw shifter personally by itself. So who knows? Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification button. I will be announcing the giveaway winners in tomorrow's video in the description of that video, so stay tuned for that. Thought today's video would be awesome just to show the different ways of the different shifter setups that I've had, just to give my little input of everything. Hope you guys did see some value in that. If you want to see something else that I've done down the road, if you want me to have a little bit more insight, let me know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the 1-year anniversary of owning my Elantra N. Till tomorrow, peace.